Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. And after your device turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds like this. And that's how you enter factory mode. Use volume down key to navigate through the factory mode, and use recent key to select options. Here you have such options as essential test, PCBA test, full test, item test, test report, signaling test, GPS, TP upgrade, reboot, shutdown, audio test, and meta boot. If you want to exit factory mode, just select option reboot if you want to restart your device, or shut down if you want to turn it off. Select it with recent key here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.